Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are watching Tamara's Hair Care, where I share my hair care journey. Videos such as DIY, products reviews, hair care tools and techniques, do and don'ts for growing longer, thicker, and healthier hair. If you're interested in growing your relaxed hair healthier, please subscribe and join our hair care family. In today's video, I will be taking down my cornrows after 4 weeks of using Jamaican black castor oil for growth and thickness. So basically guys, what I did was each and every night before bed, I would apply Jamaican black castor oil to my roots and scalp and tie my hair with a satin scarf, and I did this for 4 weeks to promote growth and achieve a thicker hair. Did it work? Let's find out. So far, I am seeing a lot of new growth. About the thickness, I am not sure until I lose my cornrows out, but I'm definitely seeing growth. Can you guys see that? I'm trying to see if I can show you guys as best as possible how much growth I have for the 4 weeks. Oh guys, that was a bald spot right there, and it's growing here now. I cannot believe it. As a matter of fact, take a time and appreciate my edges. Do you guys remember when I didn't have any edges left because of my pregnancy? It was all bald spots. Oh my god guys, and this little one wouldn't give me a chance to do my video, so here she is. But anyways, I am about to take down my cornrows to see if I achieve my goals, which was growth and thickness. One big tip you should always remember on your hair care journey, guys, is to be very gentle and patient when taking down your protective style, because you can cause breakage and that will most definitely affect your results. A lot of people complain that protective styles are not effective on their hair care journey, and that is because you're not taking down your protective styles correctly. And sometimes it could be that the installation was done incorrectly, and yes guys, that is possible. As you can see, I have a little knots here at the front, and I am carefully removing it piece by piece. Now that I take down the first cornrow, I am going to gently detangle and remove all the shedded hair. And remember guys, my hair hasn't been detangled for 4 weeks, so I will have a good amount of shedded hair, which is very normal. I will repeat this step on my entire head until I am finished.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room, and damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Guys, I am currently 16 weeks post relaxer, which is over 3 months, almost 4 months, and I won't be relaxing my hair anytime soon. I'm not sure how long I will be stretching for, but I think I'm gonna go very long. Maybe a year. Let's see. I can honestly say so far my hair feels full, especially the roots. Very thick, and I am very excited about the results so far, guys. Let me let you guys in on a scoop. Your hair will not grow overnight. You won't wake up, you won't go to bed with a short hair and wake up with a long hair. Okay, it's not possible. It's not scientifically possible for you to go to bed with short hair and wake up tomorrow with very long hair because you use a certain product or anything like that. You have to take care of your hair. It's a process. It's not going to happen overnight. You have to do these kind of treatments. You have to take care of your hair. You have to be gentle with your hair. As you guys can see, I'm detangling my hair and how gentle I am doing it, and I am using a wide tooth comb. Okay, guys, so you have to use the right products. You have to do trials like these. You have to be gentle with your hair. You have to treat your hair as if the hair is your baby itself, which it is, because if you're on a hair care journey, that means you love your hair and you want to have longer, thicker, and healthier hair. So you're going to give your hair the TLC it deserves, okay? So don't let anybody fool you that if you use this product in your hair will grow overnight and you're going to leave from a very short hair to a long hair in your back, on your butt, down to your ankles. That's not possible. You have to put in the work, and it takes time. Okay, it takes time. It's not gonna happen overnight. So be patient, be gentle, be dedicated, and treat your hair the way it's supposed to be treated. And for sure, you will see results. I guarantee you that it just won't happen overnight, but you will see a result. You know, I always hear this saying. I don't know if any one of you guys are familiar with this saying. It says something like you get what you put in. You understand what I'm saying? And this basically means that if you take care of your hair, you will get a good outcome, a good results. But if you neglect your hair and you do not put in the work, you won't get the results you're looking for. But once you put in the work, you will get the result that you're looking for, or even greater too, to be honest with you. Oh, one more. There's another one that they say, you reap what you sow. Oh my God, this is like like you always hear your grandparents saying these things. You reap what you sow. So you cannot expect to reap something you didn't sow, or you cannot expect to get the quality of something that you did not sow. So you got to put in the work in order to get good results. All right. So here I am just trying to remove any shedded hair. You want to make sure your hair is fully detangled, guys. So I'm just making sure I don't have any shedded hair left. I want to make sure I fully detangle my hair and I get all my shedded hair, so my hair is ready to be washed, because I currently have a lot of buildup, as you guys can see at the roots. I have some buildup there. So it took me at least about an hour and a half to take down my cornrows. I know, a long time, because I being very patient with my hair and very gentle. So you cannot, when you're on your hair care journey, as I mentioned in previous videos, you cannot do your hair in a rush. You cannot wash your hair in a rush. Sorry. You cannot detangle your hair in a rush. You cannot style your hair in a rush. You cannot do nothing with your hair in a rush. So in order for you to see results, you have to make sure you retain length and thickness. And in order to do that, you cannot rush. Oh my God, my hair is so dirty. Do you guys see that, all that buildup? Oh my God. But anyways, guys, so I'm on the final cornrow and I'm just like, can't wait to be done actually, because I've been sitting here doing my hair forever, just taking down some cornrows. And a lot of people may say, why would it take you that long to take down your cornrows? Because I love my hair, and if I lose one strand of hair, I go crazy. So little Missy wasn't giving me a chance. She's like, Mommy, I'm over this. You need to pick me up right now. So I had to take her up. And she wants to say hi. I just want you guys to stop and look at my edges. Guys, I have edges now. I don't know if you guys remember when I didn't have any edges whatsoever, and that was caused by my pregnancy. I had bald spots. Well, my entire edges were gone. So I kept working on it, and so far it's looking amazing. It looks full, it's long, and I can safely say that my edges are back. So here I'm just detangling my entire head just to make sure that my hair is fully detangled. So I went over just to detangle again to make sure my head is fully detangled, because you want to make sure before you wash your hair that your hair is fully detangled. And guys, I am telling you, I think that using the castor oil for the 4-week definitely did something to my hair. My hair felt really thick, especially at the roots, and I have a lot of new growth. So I will definitely say it helps to promote hair growth as well. So I can safely say that this experiment worked. My hair feel fuller, and I have a lot of new growth. So I am definitely going to continue to do this on my hair. Whenever I cornrow my hair, I'll definitely apply castor oil to my roots every night to maintain thick and long hair. So here I'm just taking down the other side to, enjoy the beauty of my good work. You guys know how much I love my hair, so I have to take time out to appreciate it, love it, show it some tender loving and care, appreciate it. You know how I do it. You guys know I have to flaunt it. I have to enjoy it and make it feel, because I feel like your hair have feelings. It knows if you love it or not. And I want my hair to know that I love it. It doesn't matter. I love you. So of course, I'm going to make it obvious. And I think that actually helps with on your hair care journey. When you love your hair feels it, and you feel it, and you treat, when you love something, you treat it a certain way. You treat it with love, tenderness, respect, care. And that's what I'm doing here. And I think that on your hair care journey, that is very, very important to love your hair. Genuinely love your hair. Doesn't matter the length, the quality, the state, the condition of it. I think you should love your hair. So here I'm just showing you all the shedded hair that I got out, and this is pretty normal, guys, when you're wearing protective styles, which a lot of people can relate that actually do protective styles. You're gonna experience a lot of shedding when you take down your protective styles. So yes, guys, this is the end of my video. Hope you enjoy. Bye.